ODM statement yesterday, we feel compelled, though reluctantly, to respond to some unfortunate, unfounded, and grossly mistaken allegations that have been made by the ODM party, except that they went to adversely accuse us, the UDA party, and member of the executive, that is CS Ezekiel Machogu, CS for Education, CS Alfred Mutua, CS for Tourism, and PS Raymond Omolo, PS for Interior, of gross allegations that we feel cannot go unchallenged. For a start, we are challenging the ODM party to substantiate the allegations, which on the face of things seems unfounded. The ODM sentiment is full of wild and unsubstantiated claims against 3 senior government officials. ODM is seeing enemies in the 3 where there are none.
Ambalo lilifanyika Jumapili kule Bomachoge Borabu, ya kwamba watu fulani walikuja katika kanisa na fujo. Kanisa hile tulikuwa tumealikwa na ndugu yangu Silvano Sosoro na wabunge wengine ili tuweze kusaidia zile kanisa za PAG churches katika mchango katika kujenga kanisa. Lakini ilikuwa ni jambo la kuhuzunisha sana ya kwamba viongozi wanaweza wakakuja kanisani kwa njia ya vita, wanakuja kupigana, wanakuja kuleta rapsha, hata heshima hakuna. Mtu anakuja na kusema ya kwamba nyinyi wa Kristo wote tutawafukuza hapa ndani na tutasimamisha huu mkutano.
So find their root in the ODM party, the orange it's called orange dictatorship movement, a party that does not, a party that does not take divergent views from members of the public or even their own members. So ideally what happened in Kisii, and I think that is why we are here, is rather it was actually unnecessary, but it was entirely caused by the Orange Democratic or rather Orange dictatorship movement, and we call upon them to be tolerant. When we visit
na Munini wa Atongoria wa bũrũri Rigathi wa Gachagua